I got this shoe rack, I don't know, weeks ago, and it's been sitting here on this bench for a while now. And it's supposed to be like this long tower for your shoes. Like, I don't know, something like this. You'll see when it's done. And I'm finally gonna venture this. So they gave you like a gazillion rods like this. It looks like there's a gazillion rods. It's a box of rods. I might not be horrible. Rods. Put them here for now on the bed. Yeah, see if you can see what I'm doing. Rods, and more rods. Oh, there's more. And they give you some screws and some, like, I guess these are like so you don't scratch your floor. These little circular cushiony things. Oh no, there's no directions. Oh my god. Excuse me. Don't tell me there's no directions. So these are the shelves. 3. I got this on Amazon. 8. Oh, there's directions on the bottom. Thank God. Let's see how well they instruct you to do this. 7 tiers shoe rack assembly instructions. There's 5 steps, and it tells you what they give you. So, it's backwards, but when you read it, it'll be not backwards. Oh, 4 pads. Oh my god, I'm not even on camera. Hi! So I'm going to do this over again. Number 1. For the 7-tier shoe rack assembly instructions, number 1 again. 2 thick boards must be installed at both ends. So there's 2 thick boards. This is a thick board. Then they give you 5 thin boards. You can tell the difference between them. Then they give you 6 L rods, which are the longest ones. So it's long, medium, small is what it looks like. Then they give you, these are the small. Oh no, they all look the same. I don't know, they're supposed to be 9 medium, 3 smalls. Oh, I know what the difference is. So the small doesn't have a point at the end. The medium ones are like this. And the long ones are clearly longer with the thing. And then they give you 6 screws, which are in here, 1 screwdriver, which is an Allen wrench, 4 pads, which are in here, in this little bag too. 2, if you need a higher space to place your boots, you can remove a thin board and install the 2 rod L's together directly. Assembly steps. Number 1, step 1, assemble thick board and rod L with screws and then stick the pads. So this is going to be for the bottom, I think. Yeah, the bottom, that would make sense. So I need a thick one. Okay, these are them. Which way? I don't know. Huh? Oh, I think I get it. So I'm going to screw. I'm already confused. I'm already confused. Hang on a minute. They really make you do this. Okay. You still gotta use your muscles. I don't have any. So you gotta use something. Alright. I hope the rest of this isn't just complicated. It's annoying. don't know how these are supposed to stick. Ta-da! That one sticks, but it's on a flat surface with these on it. I'm pretty sure this is the right way. Then, install the thin board. So I take one of these thin boards and stick the holes. Install the rod L and thin board. Rod L. And the thin board. So it's a lot of screwing and layering. Layer and screw. Like sweating here.
Darn this stuff!
It's starting to be a little high for me. Every time I do one of these layers, I miss one of the holes. Trying to get it with the hole at the same time. Growl! I'm trying not to hurt myself. Why is this so hard? It's nautical meets old school Hollywood. Because we both love movies. Almost there, kids. Almost there. Finally, I got it. Oh, I was gonna say how you cut it. Screws. Yeah, it's the last thick board with the screws. And then stick on hole cover, which would be these little dotted things. Yeah. They're like imitation wood stickers to match the wood. Okay. line them up, if that helps. I don't know. Well, they give you an extra one, I guess, in case you lose one of them, like I almost did. Trying to get them started. Let's get it started. I don't think it's gonna help, you know. And is this even in the hole? Oh, maybe it is. Maybe can you use the arm then? Is this in the hole? I can't tell. Hold on. They really make this hard for you. Oh my god, Becky! Why? Why do you do this to me?
You are tearing me apart, Lisa!
It's not like solid. That was kind of a waste. Makes it look really ugly. Because they're like 3-dimensional stickers, you know what I mean? Like they just stick right on top to cover the little hole. And they give you they'll give you extra foam. So this is the final shoe rack. 6 tiers? 7? I think it's 7 tiers. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, and the bottom thing's coming off. So yeah, so this is the shoe rack. I decided to put it here in the corner by Daniel's closet. Eventually I'm gonna figure something out with this. He didn't want to get rid of this old TV stand that came on the wall with the house, but even though it's like broken, but for now I've been throwing like purses on here and like other little things until I figure out where I want to put them. But with this statue, that was my mom's, it looks stupid. So that's what I have right now until I figure something else out.